This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download Eclipse on your Mac computer, which is a very good software that allows you to program in Java. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way to your dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to Google and now type in Eclipse download for Mac. Click on this. Go to the second one, and this is what we are looking for. So Mac OS X 64-bit. All downloads are provided under the terms and conditions of the Eclipse Foundation Software User Agreement. So we can click this, select another mirror. What are we really looking for is the real question. I don't think this is what it is. We have to go back to Eclipse homepage. We want to download now. Select another mirror again. UK mirror service. Thank you for downloading Eclipse. Wait for that to download. Double click this. And this is what we get. So we can move this to applications. Go all the way to Launchpad and wait for it to appear. So it has appeared. Minimize this, go all the way back to Launchpad, click on Eclipse installer, open, and it says version 1.60_65 is not suitable for this product. Download Java 1.8. Java 1.8. So we need the Java SE development kit. You have already installed Java. Okay. And now we are looking for this one, Mac OS X JDK. So we click on this. Sorry, you must accept. Yes, accept the agreement. And now here it is. Click on this. Wait for this to download. It's a very long process. So once that has finished downloading, we are ready to click this, open it up, minimize this, and the DMG file is opening, finishing, and now we can click on this, double click, go through this again. So continue, 525 MB of your computer, yes, click install to perform a standard installation of this software for all users of this computer. All users of this computer will be able to use this software. Excellent. Now put in my password. Install, configure, write, run, validate, registrate, close, keep for the moment, and now go to the Launchpad again, click on Eclipse installer. Wait for this to load, and we want Eclipse. This is the one we are looking for. What else do they have? But this is the one we want. So click on this, install, users, my name, Eclipse, committers, Oxygen, yes, accept now. I highly recommend you to read everything, use of provisioning technology, cryptography, ins and outs, accept now. And now we are ready to launch. So if I click on launch, there we go, Eclipse, June 2017, Oxygen, and we can choose a working workspace. So if I click on launch for the moment, and this is it, Eclipse. Go to workbench. Okay, so close out of Eclipse. Yes, exit. Go to launchpad. Go to finder. Where is Eclipse? So that means we have to click on Eclipse all the time in order to install it. Eclipse, I know what it is. Go to, we have to go back a directory. So if I go to, here is the Eclipse, commit as Oxygen. Click on this, copy, and now go all the way to applications, paste this with Command V. So now if we close out of this, go all the way back, close out of this now too. Eclipse is not open, so we can also close the JDK update. And now we can click on Eclipse. So there you go. Launch for the moment. Workbench. Okay, so close out of Eclipse again. Exit. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.